Welcome back to Maker's Marvels. Today, we'll take you on an illuminating journey to uncover the fascinating process behind creating one of our favorite sources of light and warmth, candles. Join us as we dive into the mesmerizing world of candle making. Beyond traditional candles, some artisans and sculptors have taken candle making to a whole new level, creating intricate and awe-inspiring candle artistry and sculptures. These unique pieces are often displayed in galleries or used as decorative centerpieces for special events. To complement the candles, a variety of candle accessories are also crafted. From elegant candle holders to lanterns to decorative snuffers, these accessories add an extra touch of style to the candle experience. In recent years, the candle making industry has also embraced sustainable practices. Some candle manufacturers prioritize eco-friendly ingredients, recycled packaging, and energy-efficient production methods, ensuring their creations are not only beautiful, but also environmentally responsible. Beyond the standard candle production process, many artisans offer personalized and custom candle making services. Customers can choose unique colors, scents, and even designs for special occasions or events, making each candle a truly one-of-a-kind creation. The last step in the journey is packaging. Candles are carefully packaged and labeled, ready to be displayed on shelves or shipped to customers around the world. Before these beautiful creations make their way to stores or your homes, each candle undergoes a rigorous quality check. Any imperfections are corrected, ensuring that only the finest candles reach the market. Once the candles have completely solidified, they are carefully removed from their molds. Artisans then trim the wicks to the ideal length, readying them for the ultimate experience, lighting. After filling the molds, patience is key. The candles need time to cool and solidify, which could take several hours depending on their size and complexity. During this stage, the candles take their final form. Now, it's time to pour the melted, colored, and scented wax into the molds. The artisan pours the wax slowly and steadily, ensuring no air bubbles or irregularities are formed. No candle is complete without a wick. A carefully chosen wick is dipped into the melted wax and then positioned in the center of the mold. The wick serves as the vital channel for the melted wax to fuel the flame. Meanwhile, artisans prepare the molds where the molten wax will take shape. These molds come in various sizes and designs, enabling the creation of diverse candle shapes and styles. For scented and colored candles, the next step is to add fragrance and colorants to the melted wax. These choices give each candle its unique appearance and aroma. From soothing lavender to zesty citrus, the options are virtually endless. Once the wax is chosen, it's time to melt it down. The wax is heated to a precise temperature in large melting tanks. This liquefied wax becomes the foundation for crafting various candle types. Every candle starts with the perfect blend of raw materials. Candle making begins with the selection of high-quality wax. Most commonly used are paraffin wax, soy wax, or beeswax. These waxes differ in characteristics, but all serve as an excellent base for the candles we know and love. And there you have it. The enchanting process of how candles are made, from the selection of raw materials to the final packaging. We hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at the artistry and craftsmanship involved in creating these magical sources of light. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Maker's Marvels for more fascinating how it's made videos. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep creating and marveling.